Are you ready to step into science with ABS? You are? Great! Let's go and find out what today is all about. Hello everyone. It looks as if we're in the park today. Why are we in the park? Well, it's the most important thing in the world. What is that? Ah, yes, of course. That is my mum. The most important thing in the world. Really? Well, I guess that is true, but we are talking about science. So maybe today it's not mum. So what is it? What could it be? Wow, that's nice. Trees, flowers. Oh, that is good. They're always beautiful. Plants. Without plants, there would be no other life. Plants give us sort of everything we need, really. So, I guess they are the most important thing. And it is a big subject. Very big. There are so many. Wow, look at that. There are so many of them. What have we got here? Tomato, eggplant, paprika. I like all of those. 4. Why is 4 important? Well, today it's going to be very important. There are 4 things that all plants must have. They've got to get them, or they can't really live and grow. Where should we start? The first one is something we also need. What do you need? Plants need air, just like you and me. Oh, right. There's a nose and a mouth there. Air gets into us through 3 holes: our nose and mouth. 2 holes in your nose and a very big hole that is your mouth. So we have 3 important holes. What about the plants? Air gets into plants through lots of tiny holes. That's where they are. These holes are usually on the leaves. They are so small, they're really, really difficult to see. If you just look at a leaf, you probably will not be able to see the holes. That's how small they are. But there are many of them, so the plant can get as much air as it wants. Next, plants need water. Now that's number 2, water. Just like us. We have to drink water, don't we? Yep, and so do the plants. Some plants only need a little water. They must have some water. But that's a cactus. A cactus is a very special plant. A cactus can live in the desert, where there are only a few drops of rain each year. But they can still live and, more importantly, grow. Now, we don't need the next thing, but it is super important for plants. It's the sun. Look at that. Wow. Well, maybe we sort of like the sun. It would be a very, very sad place if there was no sun. But the plants really need it. They need sunlight. Whee! That's a superhero plant, isn't it? Sunlight. This is what makes plants so amazing. Whoa, look at that. Plants give us all of those wonderful things. How do they do that? Plants use energy from the sun to mix air and water together and magically make food. Wow! I have no idea how they do that, but I'm really, really happy they do. So let's think. They must have the sun. The sun gives them the energy. And then they just take the air and the water and somehow join them together. Air and water turns into fruit, vegetables, flowers, leaves. That is amazing. Plants need one more thing. Oh, there are a lot of very nice plants there. But what do the plants need? A place to live. That's like us as well. Plants live in soil. There we are. That is a happy plant. Well, let's think, because it is usually soil, but not always. What plants do not live in soil? Seaweed. We like to eat seaweed as well. Seaweed lives in the sea, and usually they're just stuck onto the rocks. So they don't live in the soil. Usually they don't even live in the sand. They stick to the rocks. Oh, that's a very, very big plant. Some plants live on the side of trees. This is a super plant. It's called a Rafflesia. Rafflesia. It's really big, but it doesn't live in the soil. It just lives on the side of a tree. And all the things that it needs, it sort of takes them from the tree. So it never goes into the soil. So the 4 things that all plants need are... well, there's 3 of them, but the first one we can't see. It's air. So plants need air, water, sunlight, and a place to live. 4 things. If they have all 4, they will be so happy. Yes! Look at all those great things they can make for us. Then they will be able to make us happy. So right at the beginning today, we said that this was the most important thing in the world. And now, I hope you understand why plants really are very, very important. I'm off to eat a plant. See you soon. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.